TAM SAM SOM. Imagine your market as a three-tiered pyramid. At the top is TAM, or Total Addressable Market. This represents the entire potential demand for your product or service, regardless of constraints. Moving down the pyramid, we have SAM, which stands for Serviceable Available Market. Think of SAM as the slice of TAM that your business can realistically reach. It factors in your business's capabilities, location, and target audience, making it a more precise estimate. At the pyramid's base, we find SOM, or Serviceable Obtainable Market. This is the portion of the SAM that your business can practically capture and serve. SOM considers competition, market share, and other real-world limitations. TAM is the big picture, SAM is your focus target, and SOM is your achievable goal. By understanding and leveraging these concepts, your business can make well-informed decisions about growth strategies and audience targeting.